Hi everyone, that's Didi Toys channel, and today I've prepared a tutorial for you on how to make an amigurumi toy with movable head, arms and legs. I will use Cotter pin joints, which are very easy to work with. That kind of joints includes wooden discs, metal washers and Cotter pins. One set consists of 2 discs. The diameter depends on the size of the details you are going to attach. 2 washers, they come in one size, and 1 Cotter pin. So, these are the parts of 1 Cotter pin joint. I'll use this for head installation, and that's the biggest disc diameter for this particular toy. I'll use a smaller diameter for the arms. As for the legs, I'll use 2 different sizes. I'll insert a bigger one into the leg, same I used for the head, and a smaller one inside the body. By the way, make sure you have narrow nose pliers to fasten the joints, cause I have doubts you'll manage to succeed without them. Anyway, Cotter pin joints are a very good way to make your toy more interesting to play with. Let's get started then. I prefer to use flat-headed pins, but I couldn't find them, so I will modify these a bit before installing. Now insert the pin into the washer and then the wooden disc. Find the middle of the bottom part of the head and install the joint as symmetrically as you can. That's not quite good, so I'm going to move it a bit. That's much better. Now I'm going to stuff the head. I do stuff the head quite tight, so it has a proper shape. A little more stuffing. And now I'm going to continue crocheting following the pattern. It might be a bit inconvenient to crochet after you stuffed your head. I need to add some more stuffing and then crochet till the end. That's the last round. I cut the thread, tighten the hole and then rewind the yarn tail. I use a plastic needle for plush yarn and I insert the needle into front loops only. Finally, I insert the needle into the middle of the hole. I fasten the thread and rewind the yarn tail. I insert the needle through stitches to make it safer. The toy's head is ready and the Cotter pin joint is successfully installed. The next stage is attaching the body. We are going to install the head's Cotter pin into the magic circle or the first round of the body. Now the wooden disc and the washer. Now use your pliers to save the joint. Be careful, don't fasten it too tight, it should remain movable. A similar process for the arms. First we install the arm, then comes the wooden disc, and finally the metal washer. Fasten the joint using your pliers again. Install the second arm in a similar way. Make sure the arms are placed symmetrically. The metal washer again and secure using your pliers. Again, you don't want to fasten them too tight, otherwise they won't be movable at all. When you install the legs, be careful to place them symmetrically. They should be on the line with arms. I'm not going to use the same size disc I used for the legs, because the body is too small. Now the washer, and securing with pliers again. That's too loose, and I'm going to fasten it a bit tighter. Way better this time. Same process for the second leg. First a wooden disc and then the washer. After the legs are installed, you need to stuff the body till the end, and then continue crocheting following the button. My toe is almost ready, and all the parts are moving perfectly. That's my favorite way of attaching parts of the body. It's comparatively easy to do, and the only disadvantage is the price. Thanks for watching. Follow my channel for more amigurumi tips. Thank you so much for your likes and comments. See you!